I'm gonna start now, okay?
Yep.
Okay.
Hit it.
The problem is kitchen storage. The other problem is good workspaces. I used to have little cutting boards, but they had to be stored away. This week, I want to show you how to use butcher blocks to create an instant countertop that you will never have to put away again. Why do I keep taking these out, these little cutting boards, and putting them away when I could just get one big cutting board and leave it here? So that's what I did. I got one nice booze block, and it was great. But then I thought, why do I have only one? So I got another one. I got a third. And that's when it struck me that really I was creating a brand new countertop out of these 3 butcher blocks that I was going to keep here and use every single day. Cook on them, cut on them, I serve from them, like that. Ecco, have some bread. And if you don't have much counter space, put it on half of your stove and use it as a surface to work on. And butcher block like this that you just leave out is really easy to take care of. Once a month, because it does get dry, you put a little butcher block oil on it and just rub it in, and then let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. It'll absorb more, and then you just wipe it off. So from my home to yours, solve a storage problem, create a great work surface, and warm up your kitchen with an instant butcher block countertop. Big or small, it works wonders. I'll see you next week. I cut on it, I serve on it, I slide it forward for guests when they're here.
Wait, you slide it forward for guests?
Yeah, if there's people having cheese, you slide it forward to serve the cheese. Yeah.
It's like a ton of cheese.